The 2013 Subaru Impreza.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Subaru prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions,
Remote keyless entry,
and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail.
Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS.
When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control.
Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.